In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get saved passwords on Google Chrome. We'll walk through the built-in tools Chrome provides so you can quickly locate your saved logins, view the passwords behind them, and understand the security checks you might see along the way. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows or Mac computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. This is where Chrome organizes anything related to sign-ins and form data. Click Google Password Manager. This takes you to Chrome's dedicated hub for your saved credentials. Here, you'll see a list of websites paired with the usernames that Chrome has stored for you, making it easy to find the account you're looking for. When you want to reveal a specific password, select the website or account from the list. Next to the hidden password, click the eye icon. Chrome will likely ask you to confirm that it's really you. Depending on your device, this may be your computer password, a PIN, or a fingerprint. That prompt is expected. Think of it as a quick lock on the door that keeps your password safe from anyone who's just sitting at your keyboard. Once you authenticate, the password will appear, and you can copy it if needed. If you prefer a faster route, skip the menus and paste Chrome/password manager passwords directly into Chrome's address bar, then press Enter. This jumps straight to the same password manager view. If you use this often, consider bookmarking it so it's always one click away. You can also view your saved passwords online, as long as your passwords are syncing with your Google account. Visit Google Password Manager on the web, sign into your account, and you'll find a similar list of sites and logins. This is especially handy if you're away from your main computer and need to look something up securely. A quick but important security reminder. Anyone with access to your unlocked computer could reveal your saved passwords, so use a strong login password on Windows or Mac and lock your screen when you step away. Also remember that passwords stored in any browser can be at risk if malware infects the device. Keep your operating system and Chrome up to date, be careful with extensions, and only download software you trust. That's all you need to view saved passwords in Chrome, through Settings, the direct shortcut, or online if you sync. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your devices while you're here.